National Weather Service in Miami has issued a tornado warning for central Broward County in southeastern Florida, south central Palm Beach County in southeastern Florida, until 10:15 a.m. At 9:52 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near East Toll Gate on Alligator Alley, or 11 miles west of Pembroke Pines, moving north at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, video confirmed rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Pembroke Pines, Miramar, Weston, mile marker 30 on Alligator Alley, intersection Alligator Alley and Miami Canal, East Toll Gate on Alligator Alley, and intersection I-75 and US 27. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
The civil authority has issued local area emergency for the following counties or areas. Sarasota, Florida, at 9:54 a.m. on October 9th, 2024, effective until 11:54 a.m. Anyone in levels A, B, C, Los manufactured communities or mobile or boat in any level leave now. Follow SRUCOUNTY on social media for updates.